Hey everyone, Serene from houseofyum.com, and today we're going to be making taco stuffed avocados. This is a great, quick, and easy recipe to put together. It's perfect for a lunch or a light dinner. Basically, we're going to be putting taco fillings inside of an avocado. So we're going to start by adding the ground beef to a skillet, and we're going to break that up while it cooks. And once the beef is completely browned, we'll go ahead and drain the grease and then come back to the heat. At this point, we can add in our taco seasoning. I always make a homemade blend. I have chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, oregano, salt, and pepper. I also like to add just a small amount of tomato sauce to my taco meat. It kind of binds it all together, and we're just going to let that heat through. And now that the meat is cooked, we can go ahead and move on to the avocados. We're just going to slice the avocado in half, say a little prayer that it looks good on the inside. We'll remove the pit, and at this point you can go ahead and scoop out some of the avocado and set that aside, and we'll make a little guacamole later. Now it's just a matter of loading up your avocado with the toppings. So I'm gonna go ahead and spoon a little of the taco meat inside, and we're gonna top it with some shredded lettuce, some diced cherry tomatoes, some shredded cheese, and just a little bit of sour cream. And that's it. We can go ahead and dig in. Make sure you snag this whole recipe at houseofyum.com.